Bigger than imagination, bolder than luxury, and smarter than any motorhome before it, the 2026 Scania double-decker motorhome camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving masterpiece. When you first see it rolling down the road, it looks more like a futuristic skyscraper on wheels than a camper. Towering, elegant, and powerful, this machine redefines what it means to live, travel, and explore in ultimate comfort. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an atmosphere that feels more like a private yacht than a motorhome. The first deck greets you with a grand lounge, dressed in handcrafted leather, exotic wood trims, and ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. Every inch screams sophistication. You've got a panoramic living area with floor-to-ceiling windows that slide open to reveal nature's theater right at your doorstep. Imagine parking by the coast and watching the waves while sitting in a lounge that feels like a five-star suite. Move further, and you find the chef's kitchen. Fully equipped with smart appliances, touch-controlled induction cooking, a wine chiller, and even a robotic assistant that can help prepare meals. This isn't camping, this is fine dining on the move. But the magic begins when you climb to the second deck. This is where Scania completely changes the game. The upper floor is designed as a private penthouse. At the center is a master bedroom with a king-sized bed that rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to wake up facing the sunrise or fall asleep under a starlit sky through the glass-paneled ceiling. Next to it, a spa-inspired bathroom offers a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, and a jacuzzi tub with a view. There's even a cinema room up here, complete with reclining loungers, 8K surround display, and immersive sound. Imagine watching your favorite movies while the motorhome drives itself across the open highway, powered by Scania's advanced hybrid drivetrain. Speaking of power, this isn't just a luxury palace, it's a beast under the hood. Scania has engineered it with a hydrogen-electric hybrid system paired with a high-torque engine, delivering unstoppable performance on any terrain. Off-grid? No problem. The motorhome has retractable solar wings, battery storage, and smart AI systems to manage power, water, and climate control for weeks without ever plugging in. And for those who travel with friends or family, the Scania double-decker has modular guest suites. Each can transform into sleeping pods, office spaces, or entertainment lounges. The flexibility is unmatched, turning this motorhome into a rolling luxury resort. Every journey feels like an event, every stop feels like arriving at a world-class destination. From desert dunes to alpine peaks, from bustling cities to hidden beaches, this motorhome doesn't just take you places, it makes you feel at home anywhere in the world. The 2026 Scania double-decker motorhome camper is not just transportation. It is independence, luxury, and adventure woven into one futuristic masterpiece. It's for those who refuse to settle, for those who dream bigger, and for those who want their life on the road to feel larger than life itself. So when you think about the future of motorhomes, remember this: others travel, but in the Scania double-decker, you reign.